Hi everybody. Okay, today we're going to talk about transferring drawings onto your watercolor paper. This is basic information for those of you that have been painting a while, but it's a good video for those who are just starting out and they want to know how to transfer without having to erase and rough up their actual watercolor paper. So, first thing I do is I do my sketch. This is just on plain, sketch paper, just a lightweight sketch paper. Then when the sketch is the way I like it, using pencil, then I go in, excuse me, I'm scattering this all over. Okay, then I go in and I go over everything with this, thin Sharpie marker, which we're all familiar with. Put it in the light so you can see it. Okay, just a Sharpie marker, and when that is all done, all my lines are in, then I go in and I just erase any extraneous sketch lines from the pencil so I don't get mixed up when I'm looking through the LightBox. Okay, so I go through and I erase anything that I don't want in the final drawing, okay, on the watercolor paper. So once that's done, I take my watercolor paper, which is cut to size of the sketch. I have 3 pieces of tape that are just coming off the bottom edge of the sketch right here. In fact, this one went a little too far. Let me get another piece of tape on there. Okay. So I just have a little lip coming off of tape, and I just lay my watercolor paper over that. Okay, go down a little bit to where the tape's going to catch it and just press it on. Okay, now I'm able to lift and check and make sure I'm doing all my lines with my LightBox, and the paper will stay in place. So the last thing you want to do is once you start transferring a drawing is to have this shift away from the drawing in any way, because then it's going to be off. Okay, so turn off my light, turn on my LightBox. There we go. Sorry, that's really bright when it comes on. So here we go. So then now you can see, here's my watercolor paper, blank. So see how you lift, and you can see there's no lines on here yet. So you'll be able to check and make sure you've gotten everything. And of course, because I'm right-handed, I'm going to start up here in the upper left, because that way I won't be smudging graphite as I go across. So I'll do everything on this side first and then work down this way, and until I get to the far lower right edge. So once that's all done, you just take it off of the tape and you're ready to start painting your watercolor painting. There's no scuff marks, no erasure marks, anything to take away the integrity or the sizing of your watercolor paper, so you're ready to go. All right, so that's that. I hope y'all have fun. The light boxes are very inexpensive now. They used to be a lot more for these thinner light pads, but they're much better price now. And if you don't have a light box or don't want to use a light box, you can also tape your watercolor paper and your drawing up to a bright window on a sunny day and use that as your light box. So, all right, so that's that. Everybody have a great day. I will see you again soon. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like my channel. I'll be putting things out all the time. And I'll see you soon. Keep painting.